Hey my friends, ready for another day of working on your packets? Yesterday you did 2 letters and you did 2 pages in your handwriting. Today you're going to keep up with that pattern. So let's see which are the letters of the day. Can you guess? Has it been the letter in your name yet? Ooh, I can't wait to find out. So today's letters are G and H. Do you have this in your name or does your name start with it? Well, I wanted to show you what I mean about the letters getting cut off. Sometimes the printer runs out of ink real quick and it makes a little boo-boo. So you will have to be very careful when tracing your G's. You can maybe ask an adult to trace it, maybe with a marker or the pen, just so you know what it looks like. So today's letter is G for giraffe. You can color your picture, make sure you trace those letters, and get those scissors and glue handy so that you can put all of the G words in these pictures. Whoa! If it is not a G word, you can cross it off, you can crumble and throw it off. We don't need it. So if it's not G, it has to get out of here. If it is a little blurry, you can also have a parent trace over it. I know that's not how you're supposed to write an H, but unfortunately Miss Remit's not holding on to the packet. Make sure all of your H pages, or H pictures fit in this little box here. When you're tracing, make sure you trace over the main one first so that you can get a feel. If you want, you can look at your alphabet packet, either the actual alphabet, or you can look at how to write it in your other alphabet paper, and it can help you when you're tracing it on your own. Make sure you have a steady hand. See how I was writing really quick. You really have to use your other hand to hold down the packet. Make sure you're doing your uppercase and your lowercase and writing all the way to the end. Don't just write it once and then say you're done. No way, Jose. Today you're doing the letter G and the letter H in your alphabet packet. Let's see what you're doing in your handwriting. For handwriting today, you are moving along in this book. You've done your lines, you've done diagonal lines, and you even got some time writing your numbers. Well, today we are going to break out into the alphabet. Now, we are not starting with the letter A and going all the way to the letter Z. We are going to be doing the alphabet a little out of order. So today you'll be practicing your lowercase and uppercase L, your lowercase and uppercase I. So it's always going to have you practice the lowercase and the uppercase, and that's because you can see how they change when you do uppercase and lowercase, and also so you can get a lot of practice with those straight lines. You can trace the top line first and see how they left a lot of space in between, okay? You're going to do that here. So once you're done tracing the lines at the top, or the letter, I guess that is lowercase L, you're going to practice writing it down here. Make sure you're keeping a good grip on your pencil. You can always pause the video to see how I'm holding my pencil. Kind of let it rest here, and then you have your 2 fingers pinching there while it rests here. Go ahead and make sure that your pencil is being held like this. Okay. So I'm doing that to kind of push down since I moved my thumb to push down. So if you ever are unable to hold a piece of paper down, you're allowed to move your thumb, but otherwise try and keep it nice and pinched. So there I am practicing my lowercase L's. And you can always practice your name too. If you have a lowercase L in your name, like I do, woohoo, you can go ahead and highlight it. Ding, ding, ding. Looky there. I have one of the letters of the day. And then you'll go ahead, push down your book at the top, and you can do your uppercase letters. Make sure you have them spaced out like this. Make sure you've traced your letters all at the top so that you kind of get a feel for how to write it, okay? You'll be doing lowercase and uppercase L, and you'll be doing uppercase I today. We do the line, then the dot, line, then the dot. Just how, like in T, you do the line, then the cross, okay? Line, then the dot, line, then the dot, line, then the dot. You can make a little song out of it. And you'll be doing uppercase I, top, down, cross, top, down, across. You're making an uppercase T first, and then giving it a little tail at the bottom. Top, down, across. Make sure you're tracing, you're doing the letters, and if you have room, write your name. That's it for handwriting. My friends, have a wonderful day doing your handwriting. Make sure you check out Epic. I'm always just randomly assigning books, but go and check out the other books and the audiobooks that they have for you. There's a lot of cool videos too. Enjoy exploring Epic, and I can't wait to see you this afternoon. Bye!